Omniscient. Omniscient. A person who knows everything. Reticent. Reticent. One who speaks less. Theist. One who believes in God. Centenarian. Centenarian. A person who is above 100 years. Philanthropist. Philanthropist. One who loves mankind. Insolvent. Insolvent. One who is unable to pay his debts. Polyglot. Polyglot. One who knows many languages. Stoic. Stoic. One who is indifferent to pleasure or pain. Optimist. Optimist. One who looks on the bright side of things. Glutton. Glutton. One who eats too much. Catalog. Catalog. A list of books. Illegible. Illegible. A handwriting that cannot be read. Contemporaries. Contemporaries. People living at the same time. Fatalist. Fatalist. One who believes in fate. Pessimist. Pessimist. One who looks on the dark side of things. Fastidious. Fastidious. A person difficult to please. Edible. Edible. A thing that is fit to be eaten. Illiterate. Illiterate. A person who cannot read or write. Obsolete. Obsolete. No longer in use. Bibliophile. Bibliophile. One who loves books. Incorrigible. Incorrigible. One who is not able to be corrected or improved. Thank you for watching this video. One who is not able to be corrected or improved.